In this lesson, we are exploring the term square roots. Imagine a floor mat in gymnastics that is a perfect square, and the area is 144 meters squared. This is what the mat would look like. We are going to use the following steps to find out how the side length of the mat relates to its area. In turn, we will discover what a square root is. First of all, count the squares to find each side length of the mat. So count this side. How many squares high is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's count the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are going to multiply the side length by itself. 12 times 12. 144. Is the product the same as the area of the mat? Yes, it is. 144 is a perfect square because it has equal sides of 12. A perfect square is a number that is calculated by multiplying a number by itself. So for example, since 12 multiplies by 12 to get 144, 144 is a perfect square. Now, the square root is one of these numbers. The square root is the number you are multiplying by itself. Therefore, 12 is the square root of 144. Now for problem 2. We are going to find the side length of a square that has an area of 49 centimeters squared. That will give us the square root. This sign, which looks like a division sign, is a square root sign. This tells us to find the square root of 49. Let's use the guess and testing method. First, 5 times 5 is 25. That means 5 is too small because 25 is less than 49. Let's try a different number. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 is larger than 49, so 10 is too big. Is the square root of 49 closer to 5 or 10? It is closer to 5. We are going to try a few more guesses. Let's try 6 times 6 is 36. I'm going to try 8 times 8, which is 64. 49 is a number that goes between 36 and 64, so I'm going to try 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Therefore, the square root of 49 is 7. You can check this on your calculator. On your calculator, look for a button that has the square root sign with an X. To use this, you would enter 4, 9, square root sign, and equals. You should get the number 7. Question number 7. Let's do some more practice. We have a perfect square where the sides are all 11 centimeters. The area is length times width. 11 times 11 is 121. Therefore, the number 121 will go under the square root sign, because the square root of 121 is 11. You can practice this by using your calculator. 1, 2, 1, square root sign equals, the answer should be 11. Let's keep practicing. The competition area in judo is a perfect square with an area of 256 meters square. We are going to complete these questions to find the square root. And we're going to do it by guessing. We're going to start with 10 by 10. We're going to pretend and guess that the side lengths are 10 meters. That would mean 10 times 10 is 100. This is too small. We need a larger number. 20 times 20 is 400. This is too large. We need a number between 10 and 20. I'm going to try 15. So using my calculator, I go 15 times 15. My answer is 225. I want 256, so I'm going to try again. I will try 16 times 16, and I get 256. Therefore, the square root of 256 is 16. Now it is your turn. We have a table that contains all perfect squares with side lengths from 1 to 10. The first two are done for you. If we had a side length of 1, 1 times 1 is also 1 squared, or 1 to the power of 2. The square root of 1 is 1. If our side lengths are 2, we're going to multiply 2 times 2, which is 2 to the power of 2, is 4. This 4 goes under the square root sign, and the answer is 2. I'll do the next one for you. 3. 3 times 3 is 3 to the power of 2, or 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. This number 9 goes under the square root sign, and the number you multiply by itself to get 9 is 3. You are going to continue this table to the number 10. Good luck.